Section 1, number 5, you're going to find the coordinate of the midpoint of a segment with the given endpoints of t3, 1 and u, t, 3. There are two ways to do this. One is you can actually graph it on a coordinate grid, and then from that grid you can find the midpoint, or you can use the equation. Here I'm going to do it both, and I'm going to plot it for you first. So the first one is going to be t at 3, 1. This is t right here. And then you're going to have u, which is at 5, 3. 5, 3 is right here. Okay. So there is a midpoint between them. So if we draw a line, it looks like this is that midpoint. And that looks like the value of 4, 2. Let's see if that is correct. What I have here is the formula. Let me label things so you can see it much better. x1, it is the first coordinate x value. x2, it is the second coordinate x value. Then you have y1, which is the first quadrant's y value, and y2, it is the second point's y value here. Now we can just grab this equation and plug the values in to see what pops out. So the x1 here and x2 here can be plugged in. So this is your 3 plus your 5. Then your y are going to be plugged in. And here it is your 1 and it is your 3. Okay. 3 plus 5, which is going to be 8, divided by 2, which is going to now just become 4. Then you have 1 plus 3, which is 4, divided by 2, which just becomes 2, right? So this is that midpoint. Notice we are correct using the graph and the equation. Notice that this equation is the equation for the average, where you add the two values together, then divide by 2 because you have two values. There you go.